Hello everyone, welcome to Kids English School online classes. This is your second online lecture. फर्स्ट ये आपका सेकेंड ऑनलाइन लेक्चर है. फर्स्ट लेक्चर में आप लोगों को ऑलरेडी सिलेबस अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस चैप्टर्स एक्सप्लेन किए गए, राइट? सो नाउ टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू टेक द लेक्चर ऑन बेसिक. ओके, those are forgotten how to read, how to recognize the word. फर्स्ट हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे कि हम वर्ड्स को रीड करेंगे. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल रीड द वर्ड्स, देन वी विल रीड द पैसेज एंड देन वी विल गो विद द चैप्टर. सो जो भी मैं आज आपको पढ़ाने वाली हूँ, वॉट एवर आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू टुडे इज नॉट गिवन इन योर वर्कशीट और इट्स नॉट गिवन इन योर बुक. ओके, ये आपके मैं आज जो पढ़ा रही हूँ आपको वो आपकी वर्कशीट में अवेलेबल नहीं है. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, आपको आज क्या करना है, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. आपको आज हर चीज लिखना है. एवरीथिंग मीन्स यू हैव टू राइट डाउन फ्रॉम द फर्स्ट स्लाइड विच आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू टिल द एंड, टिल योर होमवर्क स्लाइड. आपको फर्स्ट स्लाइड से लेके होमवर्क स्लाइड तक सारी चीजें नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करना है, ताकि आप जब होमवर्क करें यू शुड जस्ट लुक बैक एंड यू शुड जस्ट राइट डाउन योर होमवर्क वेरी प्रॉपरली. आप पीछे देख के आपका होमवर्क अच्छी तरीके से लिख सके. माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दीज लेक्चर्स, आपको जो भी लेक्चर्स दिए जा रहे हैं, मेक श्योर कि आप वो लेक्चर्स प्रॉपरली देखें. जब आप वो लेक्चर्स अच्छे से देखेंगे, बार बार देखेंगे, तभी आपको समझ में आएगा कि आप क्या देख रहे हो एंड व्हाट यू आर स्टडिंग, कि आप क्या पढ़ रहे हो. माई सेकेंड पॉइंट इज लाइक, आप लोग जो भी देख रहे हैं, अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा लेक्चर अकॉर्डिंग टू लैंग्वेज, अगर ज़्यादा इंग्लिश हो रही है या वी आर यूजिंग एक्सेस हिंदी और यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड, या हमारी स्पीच लैंग्वेज अगर आपको नहीं समझ रही, both the teachers, whoever is going to teach you, जो भी आपको पढ़ा रहा, अगर उसकी स्पीच लैंग्वेज नहीं समझ रही, you just have to send us that मैम we are not able to understand, हमको समझ नहीं आ रहा कि ये पार्ट में आपने क्या एक्सप्लेन करे. जस्ट गो टू इट एंड जस्ट रिवाइज इट, बट मेक श्योर इससे पहले आप टीचर्स को बोलते कि आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा, उससे पहले आप लेक्चर क्या देखेंगे, यू विल रिपीट द लेक्चर अगेन एंड अगेन. आप लेक्चर बार बार रिपीट करेंगे. मेक श्योर अभी राइट नाउ मेक श्योर दैट यू आर हैविंग नोटबुक्स, ओके, एंड पेन एंड पेंसिल. ओके, दीज थ्री मटेरियल शुड बी विथ यू. ये थ्री मटेरियल आपके साथ रहना, अभी अवेलेबल रहना चाहिए. व्हाइल वॉचिंग द लेक्चर, यू नो आपको कैसा लेक्चर वॉच करना है. आपको बिल्कुल क्वाइट एनवायरनमेंट में बैठना है as per the instructions given to you all. Okay, so today let's start our basic English lecture. Basic English lecture means we are not going to start with capital A to Z or cursive A to Z. We are going to start, हम कैसे start करने वाले हैं, we are going to start with the pronunciation or read the words. Okay, now here are 18 words given to you. You will just repeat the words after me. आप मेरे पीछे वर्ड्स क्या करेंगे, रिपीट करेंगे. जस्ट सी द पॉइंटर, यू नो वेयर यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन दिस रेड पॉइंटर. सो राइट नाउ फर्स्ट वर्ड इज दिस, THIS, this. Second is THAT, that. THAT, that. Third word is THERE, there. THERE, there. Fourth, THEY, they. THEY, they. Fifth, PAINTERS, painters. PAINTERS, painters. Now this four words, ये जो four word है, this, that, there, they. Okay, these words are used in the sentences. ये words हमें क्या कहाँ use आएंगे? For making sentences like this boy is good, that girl is pretty, there is lot of flowers, they are going to the park. These words are used for making the sentences. So next is fifth one is painters. Sixth, SINGERS, singers. SINGERS, singers. SOLDIER, soldier. SOLDIER, soldier. STUDENTS, students. STUDENTS, students. WRITERS, writers. WRITERS, writers. PLAYERS, players. PLAYERS, players. BUILDERS, building, 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 Australia, 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 every, day, every day, every day, stitched, 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 objective, 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 horrified, 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 APPARENT, apartment, APPARENT, apartment, PER for MANCE, performance, for MANCE, performance. See, these words are for standard 3rd to 8. Okay, this lecture is for 3rd standard to 8th standard. Each and every student, हर एक स्टूडेंट ये वर्ड्स अपनी नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करें. जस्ट पॉज द वीडियो, आप ये वीडियो पॉज करके ये 18 वर्ड्स अपनी नोटबुक में राइट डाउन करें एंड देन गो टू दी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ओके, दिस वर्ड इज, फर्स्ट वर्ड इज THI is this, that, there, they, painters, singers, soldier, students, writer, players, building, Australia, everyday, stitched, objective, horrified, apartment, performance. Okay, now next is your read the passage. What you have to do, you have to read the passage very carefully. More, 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 THAN, then, more than, ANY, any, OTHER, other. I am reading each and every alphabet. मैं हर एक अल्फ़ाबेट इसीलिए रीड कर रही हूँ ताकि आपको समझ में आए कि मैं कौन सा अल्फ़ाबेट रीड कर रही हूँ और वो कौन सा वर्ड बन रहा. ओके, MORE, more, THAN, then, ANY, any, OTHER, other, FRUIT, fruit, more than any other fruit, THE, the, ORANGE, orange, ISS, ASS, OCIATED, associated with, and VALUED, valued, for its vitamin C content. More than any other fruit, the orange is associated with and valued for its vitamin C content. It is, in fact, the primary source of vitamin C for the majority of Americans. But oranges have more to offer nutritionally than just this one nutrient. A small orange contains generous level of folate, folic acid, potassium, and thiamine, as well as some calcium and magnesium. Okay, these are the name of the nutrients. We don't have to go into deep explain what is this, what is that. You just have to read it. Compared to other citrus fruits, oranges have a broader range of use. They can be added to various cooked or cold dishes, eaten as a snack, or squeezed for the delicious juices. So this was the passage. You have to read this passage daily. Now we will start with the parts of speech. First, the most important thing is noun. अभी हम लोग parts of speech से start करेंगे. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, articles, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So now we know this is your grammar part. Okay, आपको we all know कि आपका grammar part है, and you know this is the most important part. ये बहुत important part because we should know that Riya is a name, Is it a noun? Is it a pronoun? It is a verb or adverb or article, adjective, whatever it is. What part of speech it is? We should know that. So first we will start with parts of speech. Nouns. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing or idea. Okay. So noun is defined as the name of a person, place, thing or idea. हम noun को कैसे define करते हैं? Suppose Riya, LIVE leaves, INN, London, LONDON. So Riya and London will be your noun. Riya and London will be your noun. Okay. So this shows that this is a noun. Okay. Instead of now we know what are the parts of the speech. We will revise it again. Noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, articles, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Okay, these are the parts of speech. Now first I will explain you what is noun. Noun, it is described as name of a person, place, animals and thing. We all know noun is described as name of a person, place, animal and thing. India won the match against Australia. So here are the some examples. ये कुछ examples है जिसके थ्रू आपको और अच्छे से समझेगा कि what do you mean by name of a person, name of a place, name of animal, name of a thing. Like we know name of a person is Ram. Suppose this is name of a person Ram. Name of a place Agra. Okay. Animal dog, or even you can take a cat, any animal you wish. Things like pen, pencil. I am writing with pencil. So what is pencil? Pencil is your noun. So here are some examples. India won the match against Australia. So India and Australia is a noun. You have to underline India and Australia. Write the N for noun, N for noun. Jack and Jill went up the hills. Jack and Jill are the name of the person, name of the boys, Jack and Jill. Hills, hills means mountains. It is the name of a place? No. Mountain, it is name. Okay, it is also a noun. Saurabh Mehta is the captain of a large ship. Saurabh Mehta is a name. It is a noun. Ship is a thing. It is a noun. Do you like fishes? Fishes is a name of animal. It is a noun. The audience enjoyed the music. Audience, they are, what do you mean by audience? Means many people sitting together in group is known as audience. बहुत सारे लोग एक साथ ग्रुप में बैठे तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Audience. Okay. Audience is a noun and enjoyed the music. Saurabh Mehta is the it is the captain of a large ship. Again the same example. Saurabh Mehta is a noun, ship is a noun. Okay, this is noun. So you have to write this is your definition. Okay, this is definition of noun. As noun is described, it is described as a name of a person, place, animal and thing. You have to write down the definition and write down the examples also. Next we will go to pronoun. Pronoun, it is used to replace noun in sentences. What do you mean by pronoun? It is used to replace noun. Like suppose Ram is a boy. So it is replaced by he is a boy. Okay. So instead of Ram, Ram is a noun. Ram की जगह हमने क्या use किया? What we used? He. So he is a pronoun. Okay. Pronoun means it is a replacement of noun. The books kept on the table are mine. Okay. The books. They have not given the name of the book. Okay. kept on the table are mine. Mine means made. So mine is a pronoun. Okay. We play with them. We, them is a PR for pronouns. Okay. And N for noun. They treated us warmly. They, pronoun, treated us warmly. I am studying in class 8th. I is a pronoun. I am. You can easily drop me home. You, me is a pronoun. Okay. Next, we will go to verb. A verb expresses what a person or thing does, what an animal or thing is, or what a person or thing has. So what is a verb? Verb क्या बताता हमें? वो express करता, वो बताता कि how is the person, what is the person doing, how is the person is happy, okay, person is sad. हमें कैसे पता चलता happy है sad? The expression of face. अगर smile करे means it's happy. Okay, if crying और sitting it's crying तो हमें क्या लगता है कि वो sad है. These are the expression. What are they called? Expression. एक्सप्रेशन आर सीन ऑन फेसेस. हम एक्सप्रेशन कहाँ देखते हैं? हम लोगों के फेसेस पे हम क्या देख सकते हैं? एक्सप्रेशन देख सकते हैं. या हमारे फेस को अगर हम मिरर में देखें, इफ वी स्माइल मीन्स इट्स हैप्पी, इफ वी मेक क्राइंग फेस मीन्स इट्स सैड. वी कैन सी इन द मिरर what an animal or thing is, or what a person or thing has. Meena is a student. So Meena is a noun because it is name of a person, and for noun is a verb. B for verb. A student. What is Meena? Who is Meena? Meena is a student. कौन है मीना? मीना एक स्टूडेंट है. सो हमें इससे पता चला मीना स्टूडेंट है कि आई एस इससे. अगर ऐसा if the sentence was like this, just a second, let me draw. Okay, if we are now, if the sentence is Meena as a student, Meena oh good, or Meena do go. So can we able to, is this a sentence complete sentence? No. ये sentence complete sentence हुआ क्या? No. Meena a girl, it's wrong. Meena do go, it's wrong. It does not make any sense. So is a verb which shows, which express what is a person is, what he is doing, and what he feels to do. Rahul will be happy to hear the news. Rahul will be happy. Rahul is a noun. Will be is a verb. Happy is an expression to hear the news. Hear means to listen the news. राहुल कब खुश होगा? राहुल कब खुश होगा? जब वो न्यूज़ को सुनेगा. Will be happy to hear the news. Mrs. Verma was a kind lady. So Mrs. Verma is a name. Kind means she is very good lady. She is good lady. She behaved politely. वो अच्छे से behave करती सबके साथ. And she helped the poor people. So it's known as kind lady. She is a female. Okay. The boy plays in the garden. The boy is a pronoun. Okay. Plays verb. Garden is a noun. Plays, boys क्या करे garden में? They are playing in the garden. What it is showing कि boys क्या कर रहे हैं? What the sentence is telling about? हम ये sentence पढ़कर समझ सकते हैं कि boys क्या कर रहे हैं? They are playing in the garden. Jyoti goes to school. Jyoti is a noun. Goes means वो जा रही है. Goes to, she goes to school. Goes is a verb and school is a noun. Okay, Jyoti goes to school. Next is Rahul will be happy to hear the news. You know, we is verb. Rahul is noun. Will be happy to hear the news. Reena and Tina means Reena is a noun. Tina is a noun. Have a new pet. What they have? They have a new pet. Pet is an animal, so it will be a noun. Have have verb मतलब उनके पास क्या है? They have a pet, so it is known as noun. The dog has a small tail. How? The dog noun has a small tail. What is how the tail of a dog is small? So has is verb. She writes book stories. She writes good stories. She is a pronoun. Writes is a verb. Good stories. वो क्या लिखती है? She write a good story. It's completing the sentence. I have made pizza for you. I is a pronoun. Have made is a verb. Pizza is the name of a thing. It's a noun for you. Okay. These are the examples of verb. Okay. These are the examples of verb. You have to write each and everything. आपको हर चीज दिखना है. You have to write the definition of pronoun also and examples also. Okay. You have to write the definition of pronoun with examples, then definition of verb. Verb का definition भी लिखना है. With examples, you have to write all the 10 examples given to you. Don't write the repeating examples. जो examples repeat हुए वो examples आप नहीं लिखेंगे. Next is an adverb. So up till now what we have seen, अभी तक हमने क्या देखा है? Which parts of speeches we have seen? We have seen that is noun, name of a person, place, animal and thing. Next we have seen pronoun. It is a replacement of noun in a sentence like Ram is replaced by he. Next we have seen verb. What does a verb shows? It expresses how the person is, what he is doing, how the animal is, what a person or thing has. What does it has? What does it means? वो क्या express करा? How it is feeling? He is feeling good, or it is very rude lady. She is very good in studies. He is good in studies. She goes to school. Everything is expressed in the verb. Next, we are going to go with adverb. Adverb is a word that adds something more to the meaning of a verb. An adverb modify a verb, an adjective or any other adverb. So what do you mean by adverb? Adverb means modify करना, to modify something. See, अगर हमारे पास bicycle है, if we are having bicycle or car, okay, or bike, whatever we are having, हमारे पास जो भी available है, what we do, we modify it. हम modify कैसे करते हैं? In bicycle we put new big tires. Okay, bicycle में हम tires put करेंगे. Then in cars what we do, we will change the color of the car, or we will make some we will put some stickers on our bicycle, or we will if you are having basket, we will decorate the basket with different glitters, gelating papers, so that it should look very clear and it should look वो कैसे दिखना चाहिए? एकदम beautiful, एकदम means like new version. किसी के पास नहीं, सिर्फ वैसी मेरे पास है. It's like different. It's known as modification. In the same way, what does an adverb do? Adverb modifies the sentence. What does adverb do? Adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or any other adverb. Suppose example, he speaks clear. So now अगर ये example ऐसे रहता, he speaks, okay, तो आपको क्या लगता है कि वो बस बात कर रहा है? he speaks on ग्राउंड. अगर हम ऐसे सेंटेंस लिखते हैं तो हमको क्या पता चलता है कि वो बात कर रहा है ग्राउंड के ऊपर. बट वॉट योर इट इज, ही स्पीक्स क्लियर. वो कैसे बात कर रहा है? क्लियरली, एकदम अच्छे से, ताकि हम सबको समझ में आए. सो क्लियरली इज योर एडवर्ब. ADB इज यूज्ड फॉर एडवर्ब. एडवर्ब के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? AD and B. He is a pronoun, so PR for pronoun. Next, they were extremely tired. So they pronoun. Extremely mean बहुत ज़्यादा थक गए. So extremely is adverb and tired means थक जाना. She spoke very softly. She is a pronoun. Spoke means बात करना. Very means very means बहुत ज़्यादा. Softly means एकदम आराम से, एकदम softly, एकदम politely. उसने कैसी बात की? She spoke very softly. बहुत प्यार से उसने बात की. The boys are sleeping now. So the boys noun are sleeping now. अभी boys क्या करे? अभी तक क्या करे? सो रहे. Till now they are sleeping. अभी तक वो सो रहे. तो so it's known as, now is known as adverb. She visit her friends occasionally. She is a pronoun. Friends is a noun. Occasionally means sometime. कभी कभार, जैसे कुछ फंक्शन रहा, कुछ इवेंट्स रहे, कुछ पार्टीज रहे, तब वो क्या करती है? अपने फ्रेंड्स को विजिट कर. सो इट इज नोन एज एडवर्ब. ओके. Next is, obviously the criminal had to be punished by law. Obviously means ज़रूरी है. हाँ, बिल्कुल ज़रूरी है क्रिमिनल्स को क्या किया जाए? पनिश किया जाए by law and order. She has been to London twice. वो लंदन कितने बार गई? Twice. Twice means 2 times. It is an adverb. London is a noun and she is a pronoun. The market is nearby. मार्केट कहाँ है? नियर बाय मतलब पास में ही है. सो इट इज अ एडवर्ब. मार्केट इज अ प्लेस, सो इट इज नोन एज नाउन. द चिल्ड्रन विल गो टू द एयरपोर्ट टुमारो. चिल्ड्रन इट्स अ प्रोनाउन. एयरपोर्ट इज अ नाउन. टुमारो इज एन एडवर्ब. बच्चे कब जाएंगे एयरपोर्ट? टुमारो, कल. We sometime play volleyball. हम we is a pronoun. Sometime is an adverb. And what does we do? We play volleyball. Volleyball is a thing. Ball is a thing. So it is a noun. So we sometime play volleyball. It's known as sometime means kabhi kabar. It is known as adverb. So next, first you just again go back to the slides. You have to just read this noun, pronoun, verb and adverb which I have taught right now. जो मैंने अभी आपको पढ़ाई, noun, pronoun, verb and adverb. आप सिर्फ ये 4 parts of speech को learn करेंगे. You will learn the definition. You will write the examples. आप हर एक example लिखेंगे ताकि आपको clearly समझ में आए what is noun and what is pronoun. And if you are using, you use blue color for noun. Use pencil colors. N के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? ब्लू कलर. PR के लिए रेड कलर. एंड एडवर्ब के लिए येलो. एंड फॉर वर्ब यू कैन यूज पिंक. ओके. और वॉट एवर कलर यू लाइक टू यूज यू कैन यूज बाय योर ओन. नो कंपल्शन की, ऐसे ज़रूरी नहीं कि आपको ये कलर्स यूज़ करना है. जो भी कलर्स यूज़ करना है आपको, बट डिफरेंट कलर्स यूज़ करना है ताकि आप एक सेंटेंस में अच्छे से डिफ्रेंशिएट कर पाए कि नाउन कौन सा है, प्रोनाउन कौन सा है, वर्ब व्हाट इज वर्ब, व्हाट इज एडवर्ब. ओके. नाउ लेट्स गो बैक टू दी होमवर्क पार्ट. फर्स्ट, सबसे पहले आपको जो होमवर्क पहले स्लाइड्स में दिया गया था, पहले वीडियोस में दिया गया था, आपको वो होमवर्क सबमिट करना है. वंस यू हैव सबमिटेड द अपने वो होमवर्क सबमिट करें, उसके बाद आप सेकेंड होमवर्क मतलब ये वाला होमवर्क स्टार्ट करेंगे. ओके. तब तक आप वो होमवर्क स्टार्ट नहीं कर मीन्स तब तक ये होमवर्क आप स्टार्ट नहीं करेंगे जब तक आप फर्स्ट होमवर्क कंप्लीट नहीं करते. यू हैव टू कंप्लीट योर फर्स्ट होमवर्क, सबमिट इट बाय टुमारो. ओके. कल तक आप सबमिट करो आपका होमवर्क स्कूल में लाके. देन यू टेक द बुक व्हेन यू विल सबमिट दिस होमवर्क. जब आप ये होमवर्क सबमिट करेंगे तब आप बुक क्या करेंगे? फर्स्ट होमवर्क की बुक घर लेके जा सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, आप जब लिख रहे हो, सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव सेंड अस द होमवर्क, जब आप कुछ बच्चों ने हमें होमवर्क बुक्स सेंड किए, बट व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग, इफ़ यू आर राइटिंग विद पेन, अगर आप पेन से लिख रहे हो, मेक श्योर दैट योर हैंड राइटिंग शुड बी वेरी गुड. आपकी हैंड राइटिंग वेरी, यू हैव टू राइट नीटली एंड क्लियर. सी, if you are writing, first word should be capital T, okay, then T H I S, this, okay. Other words should be small. Give some space, बीच में कुछ space छोड़िए. Then write this A R E R, then give some space, then write O and on, whatever you want to write, okay. जो भी sentence है आपको space दे के लिखना है. You have to write in a very, सो वॉट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू लीव द स्पेस. आपको क्या करना है, आपको स्पेस लीव करना है ताकि आप अच्छे से लिख सको, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट इज what you have to maintain, you have to maintain if you are not able to write in single line book. अगर आपको single line book में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है लिखने, you use 3 line book और 4 lines book, okay. 4 lines book means red and blue line book, okay. अब वो books use कर सकते हैं and you can write in a very proper and neat way. So if you are using cursive, write T H I is this, I is a girl, whatever may be the sentences, okay. You have to make sure कि आप जो लिख रहे हो, the teacher should understand it, okay. Now next I will explain you how you have to do the homework. अभी आपको homework कैसा करना है. First homework is learn and write parts of speech, means 4 parts of speech. First is your noun, next is your pronoun, next then verb, and then adverb. You have to write these 4 parts of speech only. 20 examples of noun, pronoun, verb, adverb each. हर एक part of speech का noun के 20 examples लिखना है, pronoun के 20, verb 20 and adverb 20, okay. You have to write 20 examples for each and every parts of speech. Read the passage daily, okay. अगर आप passage नहीं read कर रहे, read English books, okay. You can read any book, whichever book you like you can read the comics or story books. Just mention the date. आप homework book में क्या करेंगे, आप date mention करेंगे. Suppose today is 2nd or 2nd of July. So what you will do, you will write 2nd of July, you will write the date. आप लिखेंगे name of the book. अगर आपने if you have read, or you have to write the name of the chapter. If you have read the name Brave World, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे, Brave World. अगर आपने 1 passage read करा तो आप क्या लिखेंगे, passage 1. अगर 2 करे तो passage 2, 3 तो so passage 3. You have to write like this. Next is write about yourself. आपको खुद के बारे में 10 lines लिखना है. First, what you have to write, you have to write your name, okay. Then what you have to write, you have to write about what you like. So if you write you know how to write myself. My name is dash, whatever your name is. I am 5 years old or 10 years old, whatever years old you are, okay. Then I like to play football, or my favorite hobby is. You have to write in a composition way, okay. You have to write an essay by yourself on own, okay. आपको खुद से लिखना है ताकि आपको पता चले आपकी वोकैबुलरी कहाँ लैक हो रही, कि आपको कहाँ फोकस करना है. इज दैट क्लियर? मीन्स दिस माई नेम इज, you have to write your name, Riya or Ram, whatever your name is. You have to write the name, what you like to play, how many members are there in a family, how do you when do you wake up, when do you sleep. You can make 10 lines in this way. So thank you and see you in the next lecture. Before ending this lecture, make sure that you should message on the स्कूल व्हाट्सअप नंबर. आप स्कूल व्हाट्सअप नंबर पे मैसेज करेंगे ताकि आपको जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, जो भी डाउट्स है, वो आपके क्लियर हो. ओके, थैंक यू एंड हैव अ गुड डे.